your take on that note. Now moving on, Congress MP Pramod Tiwari has spoken on Rajya Sabha LOP Mallikarjun Kharge's statement on the Mahakumbh stampede, stating that as a leader of the opposition, he just asked the number of people who have died in the stampede. He has said that the government should give exact figures and he did not say anything wrong. Let's now listen in.
नेता विरोधी दल ने जो पूरा बोला है उसे सुन ले। ऐसी चर्चाएं इतने मरे हजारों मरे और लोग बोल रहे हैं। ये कैमरे वाले भी न्यूज वाले भी ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड कहते हैं साहब बहुत लोग मर गए। तो नेता विरोधी दल के रूप में उन्होंने पूछा, चर्चाएं ये आप बताओ कितने मरे। उन्होंने तो पूछा कि सरकार सही आंकड़ा दे दे, तो गलत कहाँ है। मैं तो नेता विरोधी दल को कहूंगा उन्होंने अनुभव के आधार पे कहा था और जो कहा है उन्होंने वहीं सरकार को चुनौती भी दी थी। मैं बोल रहा हूं आप बताइए सच्चाई क्या है। गिन तो लेते हो कि 4 करोड़ लोग नहाने आए थे, उनको गिनने में आपको मिनट नहीं लगता और जो मर गए उनकी गिनती में आपको गिनती।
My colleague Anand Singh is there with me live on the broadcast. Anand, at the same time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi is slated to make a visit to the holy city of Prayagraj, the opposition MPs have been making the case stronger for the number of deaths and exactly the stampede causing the loss of lives. Apart from that, several opposition members in the parliament also criticized the water of the holy river of in fact Prayagraj, where many millions have already taken a dip.
Yeah, Simran, the way in which leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge yesterday remarked that the number of thousands of people have died in the stampede in Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, which led to uproar by several of the Treasury bench members, where Ravi Shankar Prasad also hit out at Kharge. He said that an investigation has been launched and those behind this stampede will be taken care by the administration over there. However, to this, Mallikarjun Kharge said that we are only demanding for the actual numbers who have died in the stampede that took place during the Shahi Snan that day in Prayagraj. So clearly a war of words had erupted in the parliament yesterday when Mallikarjun Kharge spoke about the number of people dying in Prayagraj during the stampede, and he asked that when the government can calculate the number of visitors coming there, the pilgrims coming there for the holy dip, then why can't it reveal the actual numbers of the people who have died in this stampede. Even Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar asked Kharge to withdraw his comments. However, several of the Congress leaders have backed Mallikarjun Kharge's comment and they asked whatever Kharge has mentioned, it was based on the several of the people who told him about the same and several people who visited Prayagraj during that time. And he said that the government should tell what are the names of the people who have died in this stampede and how many people have died. So clearly there is a war of words that has been going on in this stampede that has taken place in Prayagraj. And now Kharge, when he had mentioned about this, Piyush Goyal, who is also the union minister, he even referred to Kharge's remarks in the parliament as an attempt to defame India abroad. So clearly this issue is not going to die down very soon, as several of the opposition members have been demanding the government to have a discussion on the Prayagraj stampede in parliament, and they have also demanded that the government must tell the exact number of people who have died in Prayagraj during the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. So clearly the opposition is not going to leave this issue and they are going to raise this issue in the coming days in parliament. Back to you, Simran.
All right, Anand. Thank you very much for sharing these details. And